Anthony with his new obsession. He's falling on his game.
Have some Sprite.
Yes. This is our luxury condo. Master bedroom. Walk-in closet. Our deluxe TV. 19-inch. This is our view from our front window. Beautiful. Our master bed. And we go down the hallway. Over here is the bathroom, which is occupied right now. Master kitchen. Big refrigerator. Okay. Sure. Okay. I come into the living room. It's our dining room. Our entertainment system. What? Then we walk into the living room, where the sofa bed pulls out to a bed. And this is our entertainment area where Anthony plays his games.
Can I have some Sprite?
Yes, I said yeah.
You get it? Show them making Sprite.
And then a beautiful patio. And then we have the beach. Our surfboard. The pier. The master bedroom or bathroom. This is our jacuzzi tub that we use the lap, shower, the toilet.